Hello, welcome to ENGR 1330, and this short video is going to demonstrate using the CoCalc.com computation environment. So as stated in the lecture, as well as in the laboratory lesson that you're working on right now, this is the environment that we've selected to give everybody to be on the same page. And so what I've done is I've already navigated to the CoCalc.com site. Now if you do not have an account, when you click sign in, you have to create an account. You also can run CoCalc without an account. The problem with that, why we do not recommend that, is that if you use the free service without an account, you really don't have any way to save your work. As soon as you disconnect from the browser, you'll lose everything. So I already have an account, and I think, yay. Okay, so I've logged in with a email and password, and I have a few projects here. But for this demonstration, I'm going to create a new project. We're going to call it Laboratory 0, which is admittedly a dumb name for a project, and choose Create. And give it a second. And it's ready to go, and I've clicked on New, name your file. We're going to want to create a Jupyter notebook. I'll call it lab0. And we're going to want to choose the Python 3 kernel. There's a few other kernels here, so think of the kernel as a programming language, and what the Jupyter Notebook does is it provides an interface to that programming language. The ones you might find useful later on in your college career is R, which is a different kind of programming environment, and it has some older Pythons available to you. Python 2, which you should avoid, Anaconda 2020, and then Python 3 is probably a 3.6. We'll start with Python 3 because changing kernels is relatively easy. So we'll go ahead and choose Python 3. And now we have the CoCalc window. Here in the file, it has a bit of a browser capability. I've chosen it, and the only file we have is this lab0, and there's nothing there right now. And that's what we want. So let's return to the example I'm using to create. We're going to choose, copy that, and paste it. And this symbol here runs the program, and it's going to say hello world. Not very interesting, but that's the CoCalc environment. We can save the files, and you have the ability to upload and download. These, I believe, let you move cells up and down. You have to have more than one cell to have that of any interest. And if we choose Save, mine is not letting me save. That's odd. You can download from the File menu here, and you can upload also from the File menu. So let me leave this open and running, actually. But that concludes this video.